Hello everyone. In chapter hydrocarbons, today we are going to talk about physical properties of benzene and chemical properties of benzene. Physical properties of benzene. Aromatic hydrocarbons are non-polar molecules and they are colorless liquids usually, and they have characteristics aroma. Aromatic hydrocarbons are immiscible in water but readily miscible in organic solvents. Benzene vapors are highly toxic, which on inhalation leads to unconsciousness. Now, chemical properties. Aromatic hydrocarbons or aromatic compounds are characterized by electrophilic substitution reaction. The main electrophilic substitution reactions are nitration, halogenation, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. They undergo oxidation and addition reaction also, but with special conditions. Now, addition reaction. Under vigorous condition like high temperature or pressure and in presence of nickel catalyst, hydrogenation of benzene is possible and it will give us cyclohexane. One molecule of benzene will add up 3 molecules of hydrogen in presence of nickel catalyst and temperature 453 to 473 Kelvin to give us cyclohexane. Addition of fluorine. Under ultraviolet light, 3 chlorine molecules add to benzene to produce benzene hexachloride, which is C6H6Cl6, and it is also called gamexene or lindane. The short form of the compound form is BHC. Addition of ozone. When benzene is treated with ozone in presence of the carbon tetrachloride, benzene triozonide will form, and on further treatment with zinc and water, it will give us glyoxal or ethane diol. Combustion reaction. When it is heated in air, it burns with sooty flame to give us CO2 and water. Now, electrophilic substitution reaction or substitution reaction of benzene. Benzene show electrophilic substitution reaction in which one or more hydrogen atoms of benzene ring are replaced by electrophiles like Cl or Br or NO2 or SO3H or any alkyl group or acyl group. Now, first electrophilic substitution reaction, it is nitration. A nitro group is introduced in benzene ring when benzene is heated with a mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. This mixture is called as nitrating mixture, and this reaction usually happen at 3132 to 333 Kelvin. When benzene is reacting with HNO3 and H2SO4, which is called as nitrating mixture, at this temperature, NO2 group replace the hydrogen atom and give you nitrobenzene along with byproduct, which is H2O. Here, electrophile is NO2 plus charge. H2SO4 in this reaction is helping to generate electrophile, which will replace hydrogen from the benzene ring. Sulfonation. When benzene is heated with fuming sulfuric acid or oleum at 373 Kelvin, it gives us benzene sulfonic acid. Here, one hydrogen atom will be replaced by SO3H group, which gives us benzene sulfonic acid along with water molecule. Halogenation. Arenes or benzene molecule or benzene derivatives react with halogens in presence of Lewis acids like FeCl3, FeBr3 or AlCl3 to yield haloarenes. How? Let's see. For example, if we are saying chlorine is reacting with benzene in presence of FeCl3, generally this reaction we perform in dark, then chlorobenzene will form along with HCl also. This reaction happens in presence of FeCl3, and the function of FeCl3 here is to generate Cl positive charge electrophile, which used to take the place of hydrogen atom present in the benzene ring. Similarly, if we are talking about bromination, in bromination, benzene will react with bromine molecule in presence of FeBr3. FeBr3 will help Br2 molecule to generate electrophile. That electrophile, which is Br positive charge, will take place of hydrogen in benzene ring, and HBr will be the byproduct. Iodination of benzene is not possible as it is a reversible process. Iodination is not possible, I told you it is reversible process, but when excess of chlorine is added in benzene, hexachlorobenzene will form. This reaction happen in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, where all hydrogen atom of benzene ring will be replaced by or substituted by chlorine atoms to give you hexachlorobenzene and HCl. Now, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. When benzene is treated with alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, alkyl benzene is formed. Like if this is the benzene molecule and it is treated with chloroethane in presence of AlCl3, CH3CH2 electrophile will replace hydrogen atom here and HCl will form. Here this carbon and this carbon of benzene will form new carbon to carbon bond. Function of AlCl3 in this reaction is AlCl3 help chloroethane to generate electrophile. Now, Friedel-Crafts acylation. The reaction of benzene where acyl halide or acid anhydride in presence of Lewis acid like AlCl3 yields acyl benzene. Like if you are taking acid chloride or CH3COCl suppose, and it is reacting with benzene, CH3CO group will replace hydrogen atom to form acetophenone and HCl as a byproduct. If in place of CH3COCl we are taking acetic anhydride, same acetophenone compound will form, but byproduct would be acetic acid instead of HCl here. We have learnt halogenation, where hydrogen is replaced by halogen. It would be chloro or bromo in presence of halogen carriers like FeCl3 or FeBr3. Here electrophile is Cl positive or Br positive ion. Nitration, where NO2 group used to take place the hydrogen atom in benzene ring to give you nitrobenzene in presence of H2SO4 also. Electrophile is NO2 positive charge. Sulfonation, SO3H group used to take place of hydrogen in benzene ring. Friedel-Crafts alkylation, here any alkyl group in presence of AlCl3 used to take place of hydrogen in benzene ring. Electrophile is R positive or any alkyl positive charge or ion. Friedel-Crafts acylation, where RCO positive charge or RCO group used to take place of hydrogen in benzene ring in presence of AlCl3. Now, directive influence of functional group in monosubstituted benzene. When monosubstituted benzene is subjected to further substitution, either ortho and para products or meta products. These two kinds of categories we used to see when dye substitution is going to happen in a benzene molecule. This behavior depends on the nature of substituent which is already present in the benzene ring. This is called directive influence of substituent. When monosubstituted benzene is subjected to further electrophilic substitution, the second substituent, that is electrophile, can occupy any of three positions. It could be meta, ortho or para. Like if I am talking about ortho position, if S is the already present in benzene ring and second electrophile is coming to give you the substitution reaction, so the immediate next position of S where E is bonded is ortho position. Immediate next to next position is meta position, and the third position which is in front of the group which is already present in the benzene, this position is called as para position. If the dye substitution is happening on ortho position, the products are ortho products. If the dye substitution is in meta position, the products are meta products. And if the dye substitution is in para position, the products are para products. Two types of behaviors are observed. Either dye substitution happened to give you ortho and para products, or the dye substitution is happening and giving you meta products, which are the major products. Now, ortho and para directing groups. The groups which direct the incoming group to ortho and para position are ortho and para directing groups. The electron density is more on ortho and para, hence the substitution takes place mainly on this position. These are some ortho and para directing groups. Now let's suppose ortho and para directive influence of OH group. The resonance theory clearly explains, which we have done in organic chemistry chapter, why certain substituents are giving us ortho and para products or certain substance giving us meta products. For example, OH group, which is already there in benzene ring, and OH group is ortho and para directing group. From these resonance structures, it is very much clear the ortho and para position is having the greater electron density than the meta position. Therefore, OH group activates the benzene ring for attack of second substituent, and these are the electron rich centers. All ortho and para directing group possess non-bonding electron pair on the atom which is directly attached to the aromatic ring. See, this oxygen is having two lone pair of electrons. So that is why this is ortho and para directing group. Although methyl group is an exception here, the only exception to this is methyl, and I am saying is why? Because it is not having any extra electron pair, but its theory is explained by hyperconjugation or no bond resonance. We can also say here aryl halides, means the halogen which are present in the benzene ring are moderately deactivating because they have strong minus I effect. the overall density on benzene ring decreases. Sometimes, or you can say most of the time, the electrophilic substitution is difficult due to the resonance electron density on ortho and para position is greater than meta position. Now, meta directing or deactivating groups. All meta directing groups are having positive charge on the atom which is directly attached to the aromatic ring. The group which direct the incoming group to meta position are called meta groups. Some examples are NO2 cyanide group, aldehyde group, carboxylic acid, esters, sulfonic acid group. These are the meta directing groups. So, meta directing groups withdraw electrons from the aromatic group by resonance, making the ring electron deficient. See, the bond is shifting towards the group. So, benzene ring is acquiring positive charge. Therefore, meta groups are ring deactivating group. Due to minus I effect, NO2 group reduce the electron density in benzene on ortho and para position. That is why when next group is coming, it cannot be bonded on ortho and para position. So, the incoming group can acquire meta position easily. These are the various resonating structures or various resonance structures of nitrobenzene. And we can say here ortho and para position. See, all ortho and para position are having positive charge. That means they have comparatively less density of electron, whereas meta position has no positive charge. So, incoming group will come and take the meta position. Now, overall electron density on benzene ring decreases, making further substitution difficult. So, these groups, that means NO2 kind of groups, are called as deactivating group. The electron density on ortho and position is comparatively less than that of meta position. And this is why meta substitution happens. Now, carcinogenity and toxicity. Benzene and polynuclear hydrocarbons containing more than 2 benzene ring, they used to fuse together and their nature is toxic and they possess cancer producing property or carcinogenic property. Children, it might be considered that benzene is mother of all the carcinogens, as a large number of carcinogens are having structures, those are having benzene ring only. Such polynuclear hydrocarbons are formed when incomplete combustion of organic molecule like organic material like tobacco, coal and petroleum is happening. They enter in the human body and they used to interrupt various biochemical reaction and start damaging the DNA and cause cancer. So children, this is all about benzene property. Thank you.